Hello. Cultural cooking with Terra. What are we making today, Terra?
We are making black olive tapenade.
Black olive tapenade.
My version.
Tapenade sounds Italian or Spanish.
Yeah, it's like you put it on top. I guess it's for top.
Tapenade. You top it.
Tapas, maybe.
Tapas.
I don't know.
It's tops. It's the tops.
I don't know what the proper origin of the word is.
So you're peeling garlic. Everybody's got like a different way of peeling garlic. That's
so
awesome.
I smash it first to loosen up the sheath. If it's new garlic, sometimes it's oilier, so it sticks. If it's old garlic, it'll pop out.
That's
because it's drier.
I've been taught too. But then you said there's also this
product
that you can buy already peeled. If you're doing
you
a
can
lot.
see they're still fresh, but they're going. So you have to kind of use those when you're doing a lot of cooking.
You could probably plant them.
Yeah, so I was doing a lot of cooking that required garlic a week or so ago. So I bought that thing. And then if we have some left at the end during break, I'm going to make 40 garlic soup.
40 garlic soup.
40 cloves of garlic soup.
Wow.
It's really good for you.
It's going to be really garlicky.
It's almost sweet. You roast some of it.
Yeah.
And then you also use some raw.
So black olives, you're draining the black olives?
Yeah, draining the black olives. Okay. So I put some, you can see in my thing. Here I put some garlic on the bottom. And then I'm going to put some black olives in.
Some black olives.
All of the black olives.
A whole can of black olives?
A whole can of black
olives. How many
olives.
cloves of garlic were in there?
There's going to be
3?
6.
6! Woo! Garlicky!
So this is the season, especially now with the vid. I'm putting some garlic on the top.
Garlic, stay healthy. Here's the thing I learned about garlic too, is there's this chemical in there. It's called allicin. Allicin. No, it's not that. It's spelled A-L-L-I-C-I-N, if I remember correctly. But anyway, what I was reading about allicin is that it's in garlic, but it's especially in garlic when it's minced, the more surface area that you have when you chop the garlic, the more allicin is created. It's a reaction with the air, apparently.
Good.
Now, also, it's apparently destroyed when you cook with it. So if you actually put it in a pan with oil, you're not getting as much benefit as if you're doing it like this, which is you're chopping it, and you're not going to cook this at all.
No
so you're getting that full benefit of the garlic from the allicin.
So then we got green olives. You have to add some green olives here. Let's see, one of my small.
And what the health benefit is, I forget. You have to go and look online.
Garlic's good for a lot of things. The one thing that always comes to my mind. So I'm going to put like about 10. Well, half of this jar.
Yeah, I love green olives.
Because it just brings up the salt and
I'm more of a green olive fan than a black olive fan.
I like them both.
But I like this tapenade.
Anyways, we don't have onions, so we're going to use onion
powder. So you could use onions. Onions also have a similar property to...
so what I was saying was...
garlic.
Garlic, I've heard it's a good blood thinner. It keeps your blood nice and thin. It's good for your heart.
Like race around your body real fast.
It's good for your heart. Now let me find the onion powder.
Good for your heart. It's good for your social relationships.
Yes.
It's good for social distancing. Nobody wants to be around you because you have bad breath.
I usually put like a couple kinds of an onion in here, like a little quarter of an onion.
So you're using onion salt?
I'm just using some onion powder, not salt.
Ah, see?
Just to get that little hint of flavor.
So what's the difference between onion powder and onion salt?
Well, onion salt has salt in it.
Onion powder is just
dehydrated
onion. That's all it is. There's nothing else in there.
Yeah.
Maybe some anti-caking agent
then
or something.
I'm going to just grab just a squidge. We don't want to use too much.
Squid?
A squidge of sriracha. Just a squidge. Just a squidge.
No squids.
Just a squidge.
Just a little sriracha in there. Give it a
little kick.
Boom. Little bam.
Little bam. And
that's cake in there.
Where's the lemon juice?
Lemon juice.
thought we had
lemon juice. We have it. I don't know if we.
No, we're not going to use lemon juice. If we don't have it open, I'm not opening a whole jar.
I'm going to open it for the hummus. So
okay, then I'll open it.
Yeah, you can.
Sorry, where is it down here?
I think it's on the top shelf, maybe.
Oh, I saw it. I saw it up here.
Yeah, usually keep it up there with the condiments
Okay.
and stuff.
So, if you don't have fresh,
there's our kitchen.
if you don't have fresh lemons, lemon juice is okay. Okay.
Yeah. Like
Just
if you don't live in like Southern California, Central Valley, or
fresh lemon,
Florida, where there's lemons everywhere.
a little dash of lemon juice.
Little dash.
I'm not even gonna measure it.
Dash is the name of a dog.
So I did 3 little splashes, and I'm gonna taste it too along the way.
Mm.
So we got black and green olives, garlic, onion of some kind, lemon juice, and now we're gonna lube it up, sriracha, lube it up with some olive oil.
Great. So far, this was pretty low calorie. The olive oil has probably got the most calories in it.
Ready for some noise.
All right. Loud, but it's very effective. It's basically small batches.
Hold on.
And it's easy to clean.
Yep.
I like my little Hamilton Beach.
This little Hamilton Beach. We have another one.
Yeah, Cuisinart.
Cuisinart.
That's cool. I like that one too.
It was good, but it started to break.
Yeah. They had a great motor.
This world is full of plastic. Everything's plastic.
Yeah.
Give the motor a break. Done.
Nice.
Okay, done. I can tell when it hits an olive. Okay, now we do a little taste test.
And do you eat this on crackers or with bread or
anything?
Anything.
Crackers, bread, meat.
You put it as a topping for a burger.
Tell me if it needs a little bit more lemon juice.
You could put it on like a sandwich. No.
No?
No,
it's good?
Mm-mm.
I like it the way it is too.
Yeah.
So we'll put all these things away. One thing to know is that we always date our items before we put it back in the
Yeah, we're daters.
Yeah, we like to put our dates on them.
Ever since we started dating, we put dates on things.
I'm not as good as Patrick. Sometimes I forget. So what date is today? 12/23.
No.
24.
It's Christmas Eve, babe.
Sorry. I always forget. I always think Christmas Eve's 23rd.
That's Christmas Eve.
12/20.
And that's Christmas Evelyn. And then
I did not date this.
Just be really careful with these food processors. The blades are super sharp.
Yes.
Like ridiculously sharp.
Yeah.
So, be super careful
Yes.
when cleaning. All right, cool.
Yes.
So let's take a look at it.
It's beautiful.
Yeah. Let's see, Terra's wonderful. She always has these wonderful serving displays.
Well, I'm going to build my snack tray.
We'll have another video for a snack tray. You'll be able to watch that. Probably be a short. This is how quick you can do this. Under 10 minutes, and you got yourself a nice spread for crackers. You can take this to a party.
Yeah.
You can take this to
you can put it in
a picnic.
I like it mostly with crackers. You can eat it with bread, I suppose. But
I suppose
it's not the same. The rest of this is going into this tray, but I'm not going to put it in there yet until I get all my other things because I don't want there to be a reaction between the lemon juice and the metal.
Oh.
It sits there for a while.
Oh.
We like it to wait a moment.
Cool.
And that's why I have these beautiful ramekins. You know, that everybody always laughs when I use this word, ramekin, but these actually work really good.
That's a restaurant industry word. That's a real word, people.
Yeah.
You can look it up.
These work really good for acidic foods.
Yeah.
And for trays.
Yeah, because it's ceramic.
Yes.
It's non-reactive.
Yes. Maybe I'll put it in.
You can also bake in those things. You can make little souffles. You can make all kinds of neat stuff.
I'll put this in the ramekin. So.
Green ramekin.
Yeah. That's pretty.
R-A-M-E. R-A-M-I-K-E-n.
I think.
I
might.
I think it's R-A-M-E-K-I-N is what I think it is.
Yeah.
It's not one of those words you see spelled a lot. It's one of those words you hear shouted around a kitchen.
Yeah.
More ramekins! Usually from like the kitchen line to the
Yeah,
dishwasher.
people will be like, that's not a word.
It's not a word.
They get in arguments with me. I'm like, Google it, man. It's a word.
Let me Google that for you.
No.
Yes.
Just Google it.
Yes.
Why people gotta argue? Why can't they just know that I'm right?
Why can't we be friends? Why can't we be friends? That's what food does. Food makes friends.
Food makes friends. This is gonna get wrapped.
All right. Food makes friends. Everybody make friends out there and make food. And,
Oh, we're leaving this out, right?
all right. Talk to you later.